Most faceless creators spend 4 to 6 hours producing a single video, writing the script, generating the images one by one, waiting for each video clip, downloading, re-uploading, editing. It is painfully slow. I used to work that way too. Now I produce the same quality of video in under an hour, sometimes faster. The difference is not talent, it is the workflow. In this video, I am going to show you the exact workflow step by step, from script to finished video, so you can implement that as well. And by the way, every prompt I use in this tutorial is available for free. I put together the full document so you can load it. The link is in the description. Go grab it now so you have it open while we work through this. Two things make this work. The first is Google Flow, a free creative platform from Google. It gives you Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2 for image generation, and Veo 3.1 for video generation, all in one place. Free, no subscription. The second is a Chrome extension called AutoVeo. What it does is turn Google Flow into a batch processing engine. Instead of generating images one at a time, type a prompt, wait, download, repeat. You load a full list of prompts, hit start, and AutoVeo processes all of them automatically. It pastes each prompt, clicks generate, waits for the result, downloads it, and moves to the next one while you do something else. That is the entire setup. Now let me show you how I actually use it to produce a video from start to finish. Let's kick things off by crafting your script. I went into ChatGPT and requested a 2-minute story designed for a 3D pixel style animation. It spun a tale about a little star collector, focusing on a young character named Nia who gathers stars. It also provided a concise breakdown of the story. With your script in hand, the next step involves asking ChatGPT to generate the main character or characters for your story. You can request an image prompt based on a specific model. In this case, I'll be using Nano Banana Pro. I asked for a detailed description and prompt for the character using Nano Banana Pro, and it provided a thorough outline. This included the character's physical appearance, body proportions, color palette, and a character sheet prompt, which we'll use shortly to create our image. Initially, the character prompt was in an African style, but I wanted something from Latin America, so I requested a change to a Latin American character aged 10 to 12. ChatGPT adjusted the prompt accordingly, ensuring it was detailed. Now, with this prompt, we're ready to move forward. Before generating any images, I asked ChatGPT to break down the script by scene. For each scene, it provided a script line, an image prompt for Nano Banana Pro, and a video prompt for Google Veo 3.1. I specified that each image should be spaced 18 seconds apart. For the video prompt, I clarified that I wanted a detailed breakdown of the character's actions within each 8-second segment. Once I provided this information, ChatGPT organized everything into a table outlining the scene matching script lines, the Nano Banana image prompt, and the Google Veo 3.1 video prompt. I also requested different camera movements for each segment. ChatGPT explained the character's actions for every second and outlined the end frame, although we won't be using that part. We'll focus on utilizing the image and video prompts. For this 2-minute script, I only need around 15 scenes. Before diving into image generation, the last step is to extract the image and video prompts. I instructed ChatGPT to extract each scene's image prompt, resulting in all scenes being organized in one specific location. I repeated the process for the video prompts, having ChatGPT generate and save all the prompts scene by scene. With ChatGPT's part done, we're ready to begin creating our images and videos. To kick off our image and video generation process, let's start by heading over to Google and searching for Flow AI. You'll see the first link right at the top. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking, you'll land on the Flow AI page. But before we dive into creating, there's one more essential step: Head back to Google, search for VO3 Automation Chrome extension, and click on the first result that appears. Clicking on it will lead you to the installation page. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll find the option to add it as a Google Chrome extension. I've already installed it, so mine shows remove. Once installed, you can pin it to your browser for easy access. With both the Flow AI and the Chrome extension ready, return to Flow and click on Create with Flow. This will open a new page where you can click on New Project. Once you've selected New Project, you'll be able to make some key choices. At the bottom, there's an option to choose the model you'd like to use. I'm going with Nano Banana Pro, but you also have the option of Nano Banana 2 or Imagen 4, which transitioned from Wix to Google's Flow AI. After selecting Nano Banana Pro, set it to 2x and paste the prompts provided by ChatGPT. The detailed prompt will help create a character sheet for our character, Near. Click Submit, and the generation process will begin. Once it's completed, you'll see two options presented. You'll get a character sheet for Near, showing different angles and emotions. There's a second option too, so you can pick the one you prefer most. I find the first option preferable. To download, click the three dots, choose Download, and select the desired aspect ratio or upscale, such as 4K. Download it to your computer. Now that we have our base image, we can automate the prompts for the 15 scenes. To start, click on your Chrome extension. After clicking the extension, a sidebar will appear. Let me walk you through the sidebar. Here, you'll find control and settings options. At the very top, you can select your preferred language and access a user guide for more information on the Chrome extension. Under Control, you'll see options like text to video, frame to video, ingredients to video, text to image, and ingredients to image. We'll choose ingredients to image since it allows us to generate multiple scenes using the character as a reference. Select ingredients to image, but don't proceed without checking the settings first. Review the settings to ensure your preferences are selected. Here, you can choose default modes and models for image and video generation. I'm using Hugveo 3.1 Fast with the image model Nano Banana Pro and an aspect ratio of 16.9, suitable for YouTube. Typically, it generates content in about 8 seconds. For videos, nothing less than 8 seconds is generated. You can specify how many attempts to make if there's a failure. I have it set to a maximum of 5. Regarding the download plan, if you're on the free version, videos can be downloaded at 720p. To download in 1080p or 4K, a paid Google plan is required. You can download in 720p and upscale it as needed. Once you've adjusted image quality settings, save your settings. Back to Control, ensure ingredients to image is selected. For concurrent prompts, choose one prompt per image. The random delay sets the wait time before processing the next prompt. I usually keep it at 10 seconds, but you can extend it as needed. Avoid setting it below 10 seconds to allow time for error handling. Now it's time to upload the character sheet of Near that we downloaded earlier. Alright, let's start by uploading our ingredient, which is essential for what we're about to do. Now you'll need to decide on the number of outputs you want per processing. Personally, I'd go with one image. Of course, you have the option to pick 2 images if you're looking for different variations to select from. Now just head over and paste in the prompt from ChatGPT. So let's go back and do just that. Paste in the prompt. After pasting the prompt, you'll notice it begins to assign the prompts to various scenes. But here's a tip. Make sure to remove anything labeled as scene, like scene 1, scene 2, up to scene 15. That space can cause it to assign them differently. Ensure you end up with a list of 15 prompts after making those corrections. With everything set, choose your output per prompt and name the folder. Let's name it 3. If everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click on Run. You'll see it queued up and beginning to generate images automatically. I'm not doing anything manually here, it's all happening on its own. The images are being generated, and once completed, the system will upscale them and download them as a folder to your computer. We'll check it out once it's all done. You can see all the images generated here, downloaded directly to a folder on my computer. Now that you've got your images, if you're satisfied with them, you're all set. If there's one you're not thrilled about, you can regenerate it. This bulk method saves a lot of time. With your images in hand, let's move on to generating our videos. For this, we'll switch from ingredient to image and use frame to video instead. You'll follow the same steps, uploading all the images one by one. From your folder, select all the images that were downloaded and upload them. They'll start uploading here. Next, paste in the prompt provided by ChatGPT that we generated initially. You'll have the choice between the first frame or both the first and last frames. I'll go with the first frame here and paste in the prompt from ChatGPT. Ensure these prompts match the images you want to animate. With everything in place, just click on Run and it will start processing. You'll notice it lines up and processes without any input from you, generating the video automatically. Once finished, it downloads into the named folder. That's how you generate images and videos in bulk. With everything generated, our next step is to create a voiceover. You can use any voiceover tool you like, but my preference is 11 Labs. Head over there and I'll pause this for now. Click on Text to Speech, choose a voice that suits your needs, paste in the script from ChatGPT, and then click Generate Speech Speakers. Once you've listened to it and are pleased with the outcome, simply click Download to save it to your computer. Now, we'll bring everything together using an editing tool called CapCut. In CapCut, I've uploaded the generated voiceover along with the video clips since we've animated the images. Start by dragging the voiceover to the timeline and then sync it up with the video clips where they fit best. Don't forget the table from ChatGPT. It guides you on which line corresponds to which video clip. To smooth things out, consider adding transitions between cuts for a seamless result. And there you have it, the final result of the video we generated.
While everyone else slept, Naya would climb the hill behind her house and stare up at the sky, wondering why there were no stars. The villagers had stopped noticing. To them, the dark sky was normal, but Nia believed the stars had not disappeared. She believed they were just lost. One night, while walking home, she noticed a tiny flicker glowing beneath a bush. It was a small fallen star, no bigger than her hand, trembling softly like it was afraid. Naya gently picked it up, and the little star floated above her palms, weak and dim. She smiled. "So you're still here?" The next night, Naya went searching again. Beneath rooftops, inside gutters, near tree roots, and even floating in puddles, she found more tiny lost stars scattered all over the village. Some were sleepy, some playful, and some too faint to shine at all.
So here is the takeaway. The speed of your Faceless channel is not about finding a faster AI model. It is about eliminating the manual repetition. Google Flow gives you the image and video generation for free. AutoVeil automates the batch processing, so you load your prompts and walk away. That is the system: script, prompt list, batch generate, assemble, upload. Now, if you are watching this and thinking, I want to start a Faceless channel, but I do not know what niche to pick or how to structure it, I made a full video breaking that down. Watch this next and I will see you there.